Scoops and Spaces, the perfect homemade ice cream recipe and the perfect kitchen to make it in. Who doesn't love homemade ice cream? Whether it's a sweltering hot summer day or just a Tuesday in Florida, there's something magical about whipping up a dreamy treat right in your own kitchen. But let's face it, some kitchens just aren't built for culinary greatness. If your current space feels more like a galley on a rowboat than an ice cream parlor of your dreams, don't worry. As your favorite Space Coast realtor, I've got you covered. But first, let's get churning. The easiest homemade vanilla ice cream recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 3/4 of a cup granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract, a pinch of salt. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, whisk together the heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and salt until the sugar is fully dissolved. Pour the mixture into your ice cream maker and follow the manufacturer's directions, or pop it in a freezer-safe container if you're going old school. Freeze until firm, usually 2 to 4 hours. Scoop, serve, and savor. Pro tip: top your ice cream with fresh mango slices or drizzle of key lime syrup for a true Florida twist. Now about that kitchen. If your current space has you balancing mixing bowls on top of your microwave or searching for the ice cream maker in the garage, it might be time for an update. A spacious kitchen with ample counter space, shiny new appliances, and maybe even a cozy breakfast nook for enjoying your ice cream masterpiece. Sounds pretty sweet, doesn't it? As your trusted Space Coast realtor, I know just the homes with kitchens that can make even an amateur chef feel like a 5-star culinary artist. So whether you're churning ice cream, baking cupcakes, or just daydreaming about your next meal, let's find you a home that fits your foodie dreams. Call, text, or send me a smoke signal. Let's make your kitchen and your home goals a reality. In the meantime, enjoy every creamy spoonful. P.S. If you want to see some homes on the Space Coast virtually, just click the link below. Click on this link, and you have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.